When it comes to deliver and assemble on site, so really building the asset physically, the first thing we want to do is take that high level schedule and start to build it out as an iterative schedule that's based on the delivery of the fabricated items and the staging of field personnel. So each work package is designed to be independent until it's placed into the field schedule, and now it becomes dependent on the delivery of the item and the field trades and how they're interacting together. So you can see this model has been integrated back to the schedule and back to cost. And what we're going to do with that cost information is we're going to collaborate with the AE and the GC teams early. So we really need to leverage an IPD or an alternative delivery method so that we can define the work packages early and the path of construction all the way through. That's going to be carried in the model. That path of construction will then ultimately result in us being able to build out a contract. We have to use an alternative delivery method, but we can use any kind of program control system to capture this information. So for instance, this is Unifier that I'm showing, but I could use eBuilder, I could use Kahua or PMWeb. Any enterprise level program control system will work to capture this information. I'm going to generate my estimates from that model data because I'm attaching cost to the model items. And then I can actually value engineer. If I change the model, the estimate will change. And that's a really good way to start to see where we can have cost savings as we iterate through the design. And then I have to make sure that in that alternative delivery method, I produce a GMP or milestone-based delivery contracts that are based on that work package plan to ensure that there's a very concrete way that I'm going to structure the payment schedule. And that's because ultimately I can start to have controls integration all the way through my automated invoicing. So if I have a very structured contract with milestones, it's very easy to determine which items are able to be invoiced at that time. And you could start to even do reality capture on site or do scanning to try to determine if the physical percent complete is the same as the virtual model.